Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just want to record a quick video. Right now, I am currently, this is the dash out the 81C10. It was surprisingly easy to take out. There was only like, but once you take the cluster out the way, there's only 4 screws. So it's one right here, then there's one right here, and one right here. Then the whole dash just slides out. But what I'm currently doing is taking all this old stuff off right here, and I'm going to attempt to rewrap it. It's not going to be perfect and even because, as you can see, it's heavily damaged right here. This spot is a low spot. That's a low spot. That's just, oh my gosh, just terrible. And also right here. But like I say, this is just a project truck. It's not a show truck, but I do want it to look decent, and I could just go to eBay and buy a whole new dash for like $145, which I probably would do if this doesn't turn out the way that I want it to. But since I do have some fabric in the house, I'm going to just wrap it and just see how it looks. This is the same fabric that I used on the door handles on the truck, if you remember from a previous video. So anyway, I'll get back with you guys in a little bit so you can check it out and see how it looks. Peace out.
Want your kids walking around, you don't know who they are? Somebody walk up to you like,
Nah. Ain't gonna walk up and be like, I think you're my dad.
and then what if they look just like you?
Then everybody should be trying to adopt them, yeah. Alright YouTube, this is the finished product. Thanks to my lovely wife for going to Walmart and get the material, which is this stuff right here. What's this called again?
Hobby Lobby.
Okay, Hobby Lobby, and
It's black spandex.
black spandex.
It's black spandex velvet.
Velvet. Black velvet spandex. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm about to throw it back in the truck and put the instrument cluster back in.
And it was $15.49 for 2 yards.
$15.49 for 2 yards. But they had a 40% off sale, so yeah.
It would have been higher.
Alright, YouTube, this is the finished product. Yeah, you know, it's a little iffy right here, but it's okay. Still looks good overall. That's how the whole dash turned out. Next, I'll be working on the body and getting a windshield. I had also put some green LEDs behind here. You can kind of see the glow. Yeah. So, anyway, hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, subscribe, and share.